आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, in this question we have consider a pair of perpendicular straight lines ax square plus 3xy minus 2y square minus 5x plus 5y plus c equals to 0 and distance between the orthocenter and circumcenter of triangle ABC is what? So we need to find the distance between the orthocenter and circumcenter of a triangle ABC. So first of all we have to decode this pair of perpendicular straight line. So here we have ax square plus 3xy minus 2y square minus 5x plus 5y plus c equals to 0. Now here we have these are perpendicular lines. As lines are perpendicular, so I am going to use a concept here, and the concept is whenever we have a pair of perpendicular straight lines, we can say that coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square must be equal to 0. Now here coefficient of x square is what? A, and coefficient of y square is what? Minus 2. This is equals to 0, so we can say the value of a is 2. Now my equation will be look like this: 2x square plus 3xy minus 2y square minus 5x plus 5y plus c equals to 0. Now we have to find the value of c here. Now by using another concept, for lines to be pair of equation of line, the concept is that another concept. Basically I am going to use a formula here: ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square equals to 0. This is the necessary condition for a pair of lines, right? So here we have the value of A as 2, value of B as minus 2, value of H as 3 by 2, value of G as minus 5 by 2, and value of F as 5 by 2, and value of C is C. So we have to find C. How I derive that particular conclusion? Because we have our standard equation will be look like this: ax square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus by square plus c equals to 0. This is the standard equation, right? Now in comparison you can get all the values. Now if you put all the values in my equation number 1 here, then you can say that value of c will be minus 3. Value of c will be what? Minus 3. Now so my equation of pair of straight lines will become 2x square plus 3xy minus 2y square minus 5x plus 5y minus 3 equals to 0, right? Now if I factorize this, then I can write this line as x plus 2y minus 3 into 2x minus y plus 1. Now if you multiply this, you will arrive to that above equation. Now first of all, these lines are perpendicular lines, right? So we need to find their point of intersection. So let's solve these two lines. We have first line as 2x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. Now let this as equation number 2 here. Now the second line is x, so we have to find point of intersection. So let's multiply this line by 2, and we have 2x plus 4y minus 6 equals to 0. Now let this as equation number 3. Now if you solve it, you will get the value of y as, if you subtract it, you will get the value of y as 7 by 5 and value of x as 1 by 5, right? Now let me draw it for you. So what we have our two lines and their point of intersection. Now if you look at this line, if I want to find out its x coordinate, then I have to put y equals to 0. When you put y equals to 0, you will get the coordinate of x as 2x plus 1 equals to 0, and the coordinate of x will be minus 1 by 2. So we have here as somewhere like this, minus 1 by 2, and let this as point A, right? Now similarly, if I put in this line, second line we have x plus 2y minus y equals to 0. If I put y0 here, then I'll get the value of x as 3 here. So the value of x is 3, something like here. Now let this be as point B. So we have two lines. Let me draw it for you. First line look like this, and second line something look like this. Right, now these lines are perpendicular. These lines are perpendicular. So this is my point of intersection. Let this as C. And what is my point coordinate of point of intersection? 1 by 5 and 7 by 5, right? 1 by 5 and 7 by 5. So we can say what should be the coordinates of orthocenter. By definition, if this is a right angle triangle, the orthocenter for a right angle triangle is the coordinate of that point where perpendicular lies. So point C is the coordinates of orthocenter. So the coordinate of orthocenter is 1 by 5 comma 7 by 5, right? Now circumcenter. In right angle triangle, circumcenter is midpoint of hypotenuse. Midpoint of hypotenuse, right? Now let's suppose there is my midpoint. Let it this be D. If you calculate it, you will get 5 by 4 comma 0. Now we have to find the distance between the circumcenter and the orthocenter. This is orthocenter, this is circumcenter. So the coordinate of orthocenter is C, that is 1 by 5 and 7 by 5, and coordinate of circumcenter is D, that is 5 by 4 comma 0. We have to find distance between them, so we have CD. Now if I apply the formula here, we have 5 by 4 minus 1 by 5 whole square, and we have 0 minus 1 by 5, that is 49 by 25, and its under root. Now if you solve it, you will get 441 plus 784 divided by 20, and there is under root. So this will become 35 by 20, and your final answer will be 7 by 4. 7 by 4, and this is my final answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।